Assalamualaikum, Vegetables Rice Porridge, my today's vlog recipe. We have here the ingredients: garlic, onion, spring onion, and we have also the cabbage and the carrot. Then we're going to put in the pan small amount of the butter, and we're going to put all the ingredients aside from the spring onion. Then we're going to mix it all. My reason why I fried this all vegetable guys in the small amount of butter, because the butter, it will give a smell so good, and give the aroma of the butter to all the ingredients. And then here we will add rice. Then we're going to mix it all also. This vegetables rice porridge, I love to make this in the morning because last time when my baby Rowaida, she ate this one in the first time, then she loved it, and that's why I really love to share this recipe. And then here we're going to add chicken broth soup or chicken cubes. That's only an optional if you didn't have chicken broth. Then we're going to gentle mix all. So all the ingredients guys, andito na lahat sa pan aside sa spring onion. I-mix mo lang siya ng mix. Continue. Mix lang ng mix hanggang maluto yung kanin. So, ito lang kasi yung matagal na maluluto. So, we need to mix it continuous until the rice will cook. So, ang kulang na lang nito guys na hindi pa natin nalagyan is yung salt and black pepper. So, kailangan natin mag-add ng salt and black pepper para naman magbigay ng lasa sa vegetable rice porridge natin. Ayan, kumulo na siya. So, continuously until the rice will cook again. Ayan. Simple recipe lang po to guys. Especially for breakfast and sa may sakit. Minsan talaga niluluto to pag may sakit yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay o yung mga kaibigan nyo, niluluto to. So, sa bansa nyo guys, in your country, if you have similar food like this, please comment. If you love this recipe as well, please comment below in this video and like, share to your loved ones, family, and I hope you really love this recipe guys. It's very simple. Subscribe for more videos update and hit the bell icon for notification update. Thank you so much guys, and God bless us all. Bye!